All right, guys. So let's have a look at this set. So let's load the information first. So basically, we are given three tables, and let's see what it says. So there's an organization. The salary components of 4 employees. The names are S, Y, M, and V are shown below. But the salary consists of 4 parts: basic, DA, HRA, and bonus. Now, HRA depends on employee's city of residence, and bonus depends on the percentage of sales target achieved by the employees. All right. So table 1 shows the detail of the basic and DA of the 4 employees along with their names. Now, each employee resides in a different city. We have basically 4 categories of cities over here, and each employee attains a different bonus that totally depends on the sales target they achieved. Now, on the basis of the given information, so what we can have, we can form a common table. So we just write the names of the columns. All right. So we know the name of the employee. Then we know the basic salary. Then we know the DA. Then we know HRA. And that will give us a total salary, which can be calculated. There are 4 people. So let's make 4 rows. And now we'll start filling it. Now, about S, we know the basic salary is 10,000. DA is 40% of 10,000, that is 4,000. For Y, we know basic is 12,000, and DA is 35% of 12,000. So 35% is basically 30% plus 5%. So 30% of 12,000 will be 3,600, and 5% will be 600 more. So it will be 4,200. Okay, now for M, the basic salary is 8,000, and DA is 30%, that is 2,400. And for V, basic salary is 12,000, and DA is 25%, that is 1/4. That will be 3,000. All right. Now we will get to know about HRA as well as, okay, one bonus component was also there, so I'll just rename it. This one is bonus. Sorry, this one is bonus, and this will be total. Okay. So HRA and bonus component can be calculated on the basis of the following information. Now it is given that S lives in Delhi and has achieved the lowest percentage sales target. Now S is living in Delhi, and right now we don't know about the class of city which Delhi belongs to. So we cannot say anything about the HRA, but we can obviously say since S has achieved the lowest sales target, that is 70%, so the bonus will be 5,000. So S's bonus will be 5,000. Now Y lives in Pune, M lives in Raipur. That makes V lives in Bokaro and have achieved a lower percentage sales target than that achieved by Y. Okay, so V is living in Bokaro and has achieved a lower percentage sales target than achieved by Y, and she gets 8,000 bonus. So V's bonus is 8,000, and we need to understand if the bonus is 8,000, then of course the sales target achieved would have been 90%. And since it is lesser than Y, then Y of course would have achieved 100% sales target. So the bonus of Y will become 10,000, and this person's bonus, M's bonus, will be 6,000 for sure. Right. Okay. Now Delhi is a metro class city. So S was living in Delhi and it is a metro class city. So the HRA of Delhi S will be 7,000. Pune is a B class city and Bokaro is a C class city. So Y is living in Pune. Pune is B class, that is 4,000. So HRA will be 4,000. Bokaro is C class. B is living in Bokaro. And C class city's HRA is 2,000. So this is also 2,000. Right? That means M is living in Raipur and that will be a A class city. So it will be 5,000. Okay. Now we know the formula of total tax as well. That is 30% of basic plus 20% of HRA plus 10% of the bonus. And DA is exempted. So before that, we just need to understand the total, calculate the total salaries. So this is 10 plus 4, 14, and 7 is 21 plus 5. So total salary of S will be 26,000. Now here in this case, 12 plus 8 is 20,000, 30,000, 200. Okay, I'll write it. Complete 30,200. M salary will be 8 plus 5, 13, and 6 is 19, and 2, 21,400. And this is 25,000. Now let's have a look at the questions first. Let's see if we need to calculate the total tax of everyone, or we'll be just able to solve the question without that. So the first question is salary of V, and we know salary of V is 25,000. So the answer to the first question will be 25,000. Now total tax on salary of S. Now we have to calculate the tax on salary of S. The tax is 30% of basic. So basic, that is 30% of 10,000 will be 3,000 plus 20% of HRA. So HRA is 7,000. 20% will be 1,400, and 10% of bonus. So that will be 500. If we add it up, it is coming out to be 4,900. So the total tax on salary of S will be 4,900. The next question is the total tax on Y salary is approximately what percent of his salary? We need to calculate the tax for Y. Calculate, we have to do it. For Y, 30% of basic, that is 3,600. Then 20% of HRA, that is 800. And 10% of bonus, that is 100. So adding it all, basically it would have been, sorry, some mistake here. It will be 1,000, 10% of 10,000. All right. So okay, if we add it up, it will come out to 5,400. Now the total tax paid by Y is 5,400, and total salary is 30,200. Now, had this figure been, if we need, the formula will be like 5,400 divided by 30,200 into 100. We'll be able to calculate, but we need not to do this because it's very simple to do it using approximation. So had this figure been 30,000 exactly, so 18% would be exactly 5,400. Now the figure is 30,200. So 18% of 30,200 will be slightly more than 18% of 30,000. That means 5,400 is approximately 17 point something percent of 30,200. Now we need to see which is the closest option here, and nearest option to 17 point something is of course 18. So the answer to this question will be 18%.